Ali Bai from Pakistan.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to enable announce call with name in iPhone in iOS devices. Guys, one person is calling you, your mobile is saying with name who is calling you. This feature work in all iPhone no matter which iOS running in your iPhone. Guys, enable this feature. First of all, open setting application in your iPhone, tap on it, and guys here scroll down and here application phone, tap on phone, and here tap on announce call, here tap on it, and here always you can see always selected. And now I am calling on this number for check the feature.
Ali Bai from Pakistan.
Guys, is someone calling from unknown number? He is saying unknown number. Guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.